Here's our typical day on the beach. Olivia and Daddy are out looking for shells. Emery and Morgan are fishing with the net. What you got, Em? What's in the bucket? Are there fish in the bucket? Let me see them.
What's this?
4? There's 4 in there now? Did you catch them?
No, I didn't.
Morgan caught them.